Hey, good morning, Stephen here. So this morning, Sabrina and I have woken up bright and early. We're just waiting for our shuttle bus to come get us. We are going to climb the Volcano Pacaya here in Antigua, Guatemala. Let's get going. We've got our tickets in hand and we've started our climb up Volcano Pacaya. The tickets to get into the park are 50 quetzales per ticket per person. The climb itself is about 90 minutes. We're just getting started. Behind me are the volcano taxis. If you get tired and you need a lift, these guys are here to give you a hand. So here we have the emissions of the volcano taxis all along the way. Volcano climb. It's an easier trail than what I had expected. A lot of it's been in the forest so far. The views have just been incredible. There's 3 volcanoes that you can see from Antigua. This one we decided to take because it was a half-day tour. It was a fairly easy climb. We don't have a lot of time, and the other volcano, I can't think of the name of it at the moment, but it's an overnight climb, and I just wasn't sure about being in a tent. There's been a lot of rain here, so we agreed that Pacaya was a good choice for us. A nice way to spend the day. The incline is starting to get a little bit steeper. They kind of have stairs cut into it, which makes it nice and easy to climb. We're still doing well. The temperature is cool, so it's not too hot and muggy yet. It's a pretty nice climb. So we made it to the top of Pacaya Volcano. On our drive up here this morning, it was super clear. You could see the volcanoes perfectly. I got some really good shots this morning. The climb was about an hour. We're at the top now and you can't see anything. It's really smoggy, cloudy, and foggy. One of those, not sure which one it is. But it was a good climb. It took us about an hour to get from the base to where we are now. It was a fairly easy climb, nice trail. Now we're at the top. This is the view. So we're going down deep into the bowels of the Volcano Pacaya. It's slippery as heck. It's foggy or smoggy or smoky. I don't know what it is. It has no smell, taste, or anything to it. I wish I knew more about volcanoes than I do. It's interesting nonetheless. So we're going to work our way back down the volcano now, down toward the bus. What an incredible climb this was. The view is just breathtaking. I wish the fog had cleared a little bit more than it has, because I'm not sure the camera is doing the views any justice, but it's absolutely incredible. What an amazing adventure this has been. Climbing down sure will be interesting. It's super slippery. Here we go. Today, Sabrina and I conquered Volcano Pacaya here in Guatemala. The temperature is fantastic. We're on our way down. We're almost at the bottom now. It's definitely a lot easier going down, although slippery, easier to go down. This hike sure has been amazing. It's well worth the money. We paid 75 Gonzales for the tour guide and for the shuttle ride to and from our hostel in Antigua. It's about a 1-hour drive from Antigua. The hike itself was about an hour to get up. You spend about an hour up there. You go down into the volcano, and then it's about an hour back down, 45 minutes to an hour. The entrance fee to get into the park is 50 Gonzales. So for 125 Gonzales, it sure is a good day. That works out to about, I don't know, $22, $23. The sights are incredible. The climb is nice. The temperature here is perfect. Haven't cracked a sweat too much. The sun was out on our way up. Got a little sweaty, but a lot of overcast and cloud right now on our way down, which makes going down so much better. We're gonna head back to our hostel now. I want to thank you guys for joining us on this adventure. Thank you for checking out my channel. Each day we're getting a few more subscribers, and I'm very thankful to all of you who have subscribed. We're trying to reach our goal of 100 subscribers by June 1st. I want to thank you to everyone who has hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't already, please take a second, hit that subscribe button. So thanks again for checking out this video, and we'll see you guys at the next one.